Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to update TikTok. Updating TikTok allows you to fix various bugs and possibly get new features in the app. While your iPhone, iPad, or Android phone by default updates all apps automatically, you can still force an update to make sure you get the latest TikTok version. When you update TikTok, you get various bug fixes that patch the issue in the existing app version. This is why most solutions to a technical problem ask you to update your apps. Another reason to update TikTok is that you can possibly get new features. When the platforms rolls out the new functions, you can get them added to your app by updating the app. Updating the app also improves your overall experience as the newer app version often has efficient code, improving the app's various process. Updating any app is a good idea in general for staying secure online. To get the new TikTok update on Android, use the Google Play Store. Find and launch Play Store on your phone. Then, in the search box at the top, type TikTok and press enter. If you see open instead of update, your TikTok app is already updated and you don't need to do anything. In the search results, next to TikTok, tap update. Your phone will begin updating the app. When that's done, tap open to launch the newly updated app. If your phone or tablet fails to update TikTok, your device may have a minor glitch. Your internet connection may not be working, or your phone may not have enough storage space for the update. You can fix most minor glitches on your phone by simply rebooting the phone, which is easy to do on both iPhone and Android. Then, you can retry updating the app. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.